Okay, what's up, guys? Let me know if you hear me good. It's Tuesday, some connection problems. I got camera problem at Sunday, and I'm curious what happened tomorrow. Welcome, Philip. Welcome, Christian. I miss you guys. Philip, you back from Greece? You are at home now? It's so hot in Poland, especially today. You bring some sun to our country. Yesterday evening. Oh, okay. Did you like Greece? 34 degrees. Come on. It's too much for me, for real. I like 20, 25 maximum. I were on Rhodos um, 8 years ago or something like that. I were in Athens when I was younger. I was teenager or something, and in May I visit Greece in Thessaloniki. Greece is beautiful, but not in summer for me. Too hot for real. I recommend Zakynthos. Beautiful views. Yeah, maybe one day, or maybe on autumn, September. I need to plan my vacation. I don't know when and where. We'll see. Okay, let's back to the important things today. Flash manufacturing PMI. Yeah, that was medium impact for me / low impact. And we have something more today? No. Weekly employment change, but that's yeah, that's nothing. API weekly, yeah, that's also nothing interesting. So let's check the chart. We got some gold idea at Sunday. Here. And I send idea here. That was 5-minute chart. Yeah, that was somewhere here. After market open, we dip below the liquidity. Poke the liquidity and go to the upside. That was just after market open. Stop 21. Oh, that stop were big. And almost 1 to 2 risk to reward, nothing crazy to be honest. Yesterday gold drop, sweep the low and hit into zero imbalance. We got some zeros to fill. Quite a big zone. We dip into that zero imbalance. 15 minutes break of structure. Minute break of structure here. -30 minutes break of structure here. 1 hour break of structure a bit higher. And 5-minute break of structure here. So what I do, I put my fibs they do the counter trend to the downside. We know that pattern. I'm just going to repeat it, but that's my favorite one. Trending to the downside, hits zone for potential reversal. Then do the break of structure and start counter trending to the downside. So with counter trend to the downside, you put your fib. You're waiting for 61 to 78. Then when price is inside, you're waiting for another break of structure. And you go in for new high. That's pretty simple. We're talking about it 100 times or more. So after break of structure and when markets start pulling back, I just put my fib from low to the high, waiting for the counter trend to the downside into 61 to 78. Five-minute engulfing candle, engulfing volume. Let's look at the lower time frame. 3-minute break of structure, 2-minute break of structure, and 1-minute break of structure, and also so pull back. But you can just do it with engulfing candle, engulfing volume, and position yourself for the new high. That was scalping move. I believe we can sweep this liquidity here. I believe we can sweep this liquidity here and go down, or sweep that higher liquidity and go down. That higher liquidity also is inside fib range on 1 hour, 1 hour structure, 1 hour move to the downside, fib range from high to low, 61 to 78, your zone, liquidity inside. And maybe they go there or not. If not, that's scalping us. I'm not a scalper, but if you like scalping, yeah. 1 to 3, maybe you can targeting 1 to 2. I don't know if market fully reversal to the upside. I will looking for the sells because market on daily looking like want to push down. It's still going downside. There is EMA 20, daily candle reject, but by EMA 20. So next logic move is new low somewhere around 4K or below 4K. That was equal high, yeah. Four-hour chart. You know, I will be comfortable with buys when 4-hour chart close above this level, 4,200. That's gonna be 4-hour BOS change of character. So above this level, I will looking for the pullback, some accumulation, and go higher. But until we are below it, I want to see sells, to be honest. And 1-hour chart also touched the EMA 20. Sweep the liquidity from that 1-hour trap candle. But 1 hour touched the EMA 20, so maybe we can go down from where is that now. I really want to see market higher, above this level or inside this level, fib range. With fib range zone, liquidity inside, I will feel super comfortable, super confident. But it is what it is. 1 hour touch the EMA 20 and maybe market just die into 4K. Force sweep this low again. $4,025 will be full target for sellers. And if you want to position yourself in sells, it can be just now, stop above, targeting this low. And that's going to be 1 to 4 risk to reward, something like that. Yes, May, June, and September is good months to visit. Yeah. In the middle of the summer, there is, for me, too hot and too much people. Too much tourists. In daily we have very interesting zone 28. Yeah, I will look at it. 28 to 932 and lower. I have monthly reversal zone here. This is a candle. Oh, it should be lower. Okay, I was marking that imbalance inside. But 700 to 190 can be good. First I want to feel this imbalance below 61 fib level for the monthly retracement. You know, maybe till end of the summer gold just retrace, and same as last year, but last year we starting oh no, not here, weekly. We hit the all-time highs at April, then gold just reaccumulate and start expanding at the end of summer. That was August, 18th August, and we do the run till January. Now we have a retracement from end of January, it's end of June, so 6 months of retracement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 months. We close that candle in the next 7 days. So we'll see. There is also EMA 20 for the monthly chart. And maybe after hit that zone we can go for the deeper retracement to the upside. To be honest, below 4K, around, if we get there, you know, if we get around 3.5K, I'm going to buy physic gold for sure. Let's check your zones. Daily chart. Uh, 428. Yeah, it's here. Nine 32. Oh yeah. This is the support. I like to playing around liquidity. So that's why the zone interesting me, because we got the liquidity here. There is a fib after this move, probably, or not. No, fib is higher. But we got the liquidity here, and probably somewhere is imbalance. This candle, this candle, this one never filled. Let me check the market profile. Probably point of control will be somewhere here in this reaccumulation. I can't run volume on the chart. Let's look here. Yeah, the biggest volume is around this level. Uh, 3,429. And 3269. Yeah, very similar area, Philip, to yours. It's very similar area. It's literally the same area as you sent. Very big volume around it, and that's the place where gold just started expanding. So if we're going for the bearish year, 2026, if 2026 going to be bearish year, maybe we can get there, reaccumulate and go. I will like it, to be honest, because I buy a lot of physical gold here. Look at this move. October 2022 bottom, and 3.5 years later, almost 4 years later. No, that was at January, so let's say 3 years later. 3 years later. 2.5% up. That's crazy. From 1.5K to 5.5K. That's fucking crazy. So I'm not wonder if gold just do deeper retracement into Philip zone, into that reaccumulation. Around 3, let's say below 3.5K. I will not wonder. But gold is super strong. All of central banks buying gold for each price. Even in that reaccumulation, chart looks like what the fuck, and they don't want to dump it, they just push it much higher. From that reaccumulation, that was 80%. No, very good move. I remember when we dealing with that reaccumulation last year. We're dealing with this candle, bottom of this candle. Yeah, pretty cool. And move here was amazing when we started expand. That was my biggest trade in my career. Oh yeah, that was my support. Zero imbalance inside this candle. A lot of zeros to fill. Inner order block. Market just tap it, perfect. Engulfing candle, engulfing volume, and GG, you know. Crazy things. I closed around 3K and 700. And that candle was Powell. Yeah, that was Powell's speech, but not for FOMC. I can't remember what was that event. But I remember that bottom. I were on the camper trip, and yeah, I'm trading from the vacation. That move. If we drop below 4K, waiting retest to sell there, yeah. That will be amazing. That will be amazing. But let's look at the lower time frame. Lower time frame wants to push above the liquidity. So we'll see. We also bounce from zero imbalance. We still not sweep that low. So everything is possible here. And also Stride of Hormuz is open. I don't know how long, because Trump changed his words by 2 hours. Today, 3:30 p.m. Central European time zone. So that news is a big support for bullish gold. We feel the zero imbalance and we print something. So if you didn't feel confident, maybe you don't need to trade it. Maybe just wait for 4 hour change of character here. Then I will be confident with buys. Because we put our fib 61 to 78 and go up. So I don't feel like we're losing something. Sometimes the best decision is just patient and watching the patterns. Being patient is much better than catch the stop loss. I literally see both sides now, so it's crazy when you see both sides in the same time. Maybe you should stay away. If you remember, we also had that daily analysis. With sweep of this liquidity, we had a zone here, lower volume, and print to the upside. Gold is a bit tricky now. For real. I also believe that it is dangerous at the moment, yeah. Sometimes it's better to sit on your hands and just do nothing, just watch the price action, the patterns, and that's how you learn. And also that's how you learn your patience. If you are a scalper, of course, you can trade every day, but if you want to catch the bigger move, something like a swing, maybe it's better to wait more. Daily break of structure here. When we do daily break of structure here, guys, let me put the yellow line. When we do daily break of structure here, we also cross the EMAs. So EMAs will going to support us for higher price. That also can be interesting. And they create resistance here. One and second time. So for today, time for buys today were here and sells here or here. You can try sells, but you see, we grab the zero imbalance, we do the break of structure, we hit into 61 to 78 fib, so maybe they go up. I'm really sitting on my hands, and the sell idea going to hit the stop loss soon. Okay, let's check the other assets because we got not much time left, and we talk about gold only. We talk about gold, but talk about nothing because at least the conclusion is to be patient with gold. 4 hour break of structure, confident with buys. Daily break of structure, super confident with buys. That can be good. We'll see, we'll see. For now, just let it be. Dollar never do the 1 hour break of structure. Let me look at the chart first. Thinking about selling it around 86. Yeah, there is something. Order block. 1 hour. 4 hour. Point of control at 89. Inside this lower zone is valid area low and EMA 20. So I believe in this zone first for sales. I need to see price action inside our box. When market prints good price action inside our box, yeah, I will be confident with sales for sure. And let me check the fib. Yeah, okay, 61 to 78 is here. So you have fib levels, point of control, inside your zone, inside my zone is fib level from here, and valid area low. Or make it more fun and full port. Yeah, full port is funny only if you hitting profit. Otherwise, you can live on the street. You can be homeless. Yeah, let me know if you have some questions for gold, because gold is a main thing today. So let me know if you have more question about gold, and we going for another asset. True. Yeah. Okay, I can't see any question for gold, so I believe everything is clean. I mean, everything is clean inside this chaos. So we can move ahead for dollar. Dollar idea was break of structure, so print the candle below this week, pullback, and open your position after the pullback, but market never do the BOS, just fly up. That was also possible scenario. And dollar hit our first target in last week, 1 to 20, and it's about to do my macro target. We call that macro target from I believe from merge or something like that. And if you want to hold that position, that's going to 1 to 56. No one is holding that position who is no one who had the sanity is holding that position. So 1 to 20, yeah, close. And we're waiting for full target on dollar. With dollar, everyone know about correlation. with gold. Sometimes dollar pushing up and gold also pushing up, but sometimes dollar pushing up and gold falling down. Also the pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and every pair compared to the dollar moving just in opposite direction. So gold is XAU USD. There is a symbol XAU USD. So with bullish dollar, gold can go downside. So we'll see, we'll see. I just want to see dollar higher. Then I can solve the gains, profits from the market into Polish currency, because the currency will be very high and dollar can fall. Yeah. So I'm explaining situation like we are now. I'm also explaining it in March and February before for the private stream, private group. It's really similar situation, FIP level from high to low, liquidity inside 61 to 78, market deep into it and make another low with another low and liquidity sweep here. See, liquidity sweep, spring, same things here, liquidity sweep, spring. From high to low, liquidity, upside liquidity, 61 to 78. And if that pattern repeats, I want to see new low for the macro on dollar. But can it happen this year? I'm not sure. For this year will be good if we reach into our FIP zone. That's our target for this year. And then you can start to convert dollar for your currency, for GBP, Euro and every other. So hold your profits, your withdraw money, and sell it into this box, inside this box. True. I need to go to war. Take care, guys. See you later. I can listen, but can't type as I'm driving. Yeah, no problem, Christian. Drive safe, you know. We see tomorrow, Christian. I believe you come. So this is dollar. Let's go for the silver. Yeah, silver we're talking about gaps, but that was no gap, so just discard. But look at silver. What is silver doing on 15 minutes? And look at gold. Gold is pushing up. Silver is ranging. That's interesting. Gold is stronger than silver for sure. S&P just break our zone and do the retest. So let's see what happens. I just want to see one more push to the downside for sweep this liquidity. I just want to see one more push to the downside before potential reversal. And another zone is around 7k, and below 7k it's also a good spot for long-term buys, not for the trading but for the investing. But you do what you want, you know, no financial advice here. Euro just going down from this zone from last week, and man, that's amazing. I guess no one holding it, but R is amazing. 1 to 8. Euro never go to our zone, we can skip it. And macro for the euro zone is here. 1.09 to 1.06. For now, euro is just falling downside, so I will just skip it and waiting for the pullback to find some setup for sells. Let the euro falling down. When we start counter trending to the upside, I will sell it. For now, no trade on euro and no analysis for euro. I can do it when market is just falling to the downside. I want to see some pullback creation. Oh, that one looking good. If we start pulling back from where is that now, there is a liquidity. There is imbalance. There is FIBS. And fixed volume range didn't confirm it. So yeah, if euro pulling back from where is at now, that will be the zone for sales. If it's still going to the downside, when we create a new low, just remove it. So euro, patient also. GBP also skip our zone. But we can still holding it because we measure it like that. Or from here. So we still can't see new low on the GBP. So that zone is still active. Swiss franc. Going into resistance zone, but it's expanding like a dollar. For the macro, some sells from 61 to 78, same as dollar, but for now, skip. It's expanding to the upside, so skip. Can't do analysis when the asset is expanding. Bitcoin. Bitcoin sweep the stop loss and starts falling down. We hit the first target, liquidity here. Second target, third target, and final one at 50k. But yeah, Bitcoin hit me out. And I'm just selling it again from somewhere here when I woke up today. I'm open the chart and just click sells. That was probably after this. No, sorry. Yeah, somewhere here. After this candle close. Somewhere here. 63.5. Let me check it. Yeah, 63.5 on one account and another also. So I'm just trying to put my stop above it. That's my position. I'm break even now. And we'll see. After that liquidity sweep I go break even and let him do his things. Oil reaccumulating, so oil is still patient. We got the zones, so oil is patient. When oil go into the zone, first or second one, you can sell it. For now, I don't do anything on oil. That was the 1 hour. Liquidity. Oil likes to play like this. First zone for oil and second one. We catch the very similar trade here to what I'm showing you now. We catch the very similar trade here. Sweep the liquidity, go into the zone, position, sell. And imagine if you're holding it, disgusting. 1 to 4, fair enough. Yeah, that's gonna be it from myself probably. We got the 1 hour left. I mean, yeah, 1 hour stream. So let me know if everything is clean for you guys. That gold is fighting. EMA 20 trying to hold 1 hour structure to the downside. That guy is fighting with EMA 20. 1, 2, 3 times reject. Yeah, Christian said sandy fingers, okay. Yeah. Take care of your wheels, Christian. Drive safe. So, if everything is clean for you guys, for Christian for sure, it's clean. We can finish our session tomorrow at the same time, another live stream, and at Thursday also. Scheduling outro like always. So thank you guys for being here with me today. Be careful, be patient, and take care of yourself. We see again tomorrow. Bye bye.